Under construction, approximately 2 to 3 weeks from completion. Open great room floor plan west volume ceilings, tiled plank style floors throughout west/carpet only in the bdrms. Island kitchen overlooks the great room wide/attracted wide cabinets, granite counters, double pantries and spacious dining area overlooking the patio and pool area. Separate media/game room, or huge 5th bedroom, west/1/2 bath to pool. Master suite west/triple set of sliders viewing the pool, big walk-in closet, double sink vanity and 2 shower head walk-in shower. Adult 3 large guest bdrms plus a study office. Huge 3-car side entry garage and located on over a half-acre in a gated community. Great location west/easy commute to KSC.